Hi, welcome back again to my shorts. And for today's shorts, we are going to taste test the Movenpick from Switzerland cappuccino Arabica coffee. So, naman natin siya. And nabili ko siya sa Viva. And exclusive lang yata itong binebenta or pinagbibili sa Viva. I don't know. Let's check if masarap. So sabi dito, Shutel Mish. Shutel Mish, siguro shake. Mmm. Sarap siya. Hindi masyadong matamis and cappuccino talaga. So yun lang for shorts video. Muah muah muah.